Good night, teacher. My name is Jason Franklin Niago, and today I will share with you a reflect on topic that affects all of global citizens, and especially in Peruvian the impact of globalization and the intercultural in our country. Introduction. While I in increasingly connecting our border are no longer barrier to young of ideas, products, costumes, and technology. Uh, presentation of the cast today. In the Peruvian context, so one of the most present-day cases of the impact globalization is the textiles and artisan sector. Over the past decades, free trade agreements have facilitated the entry of foreign products, especially mass products from countries like China or Bangladesh. Uh, Consequently, today's artisan and small textile entrepreneurs in Peru, particularly in regions such as Ayacucho, Cusco, and Puno, are buying display as they competing with price, even though their products are home and carry a unique cultural identity. My point of view, from my point of view, globalization is neither inherently good nor bad. It depends on how it's managed. It is some undeniable that is that brought significant advancement acts of technology, more consumption options, cultural exchange, and economic opportunity. But is also creating inequalities, a loss of identity and cultural homogeneity that threatens our local traditions. Riding intercultural by is it style of drill practiced in Peru. Many times we are about inclusion in space, but this is no reflex in complete actions. For example, there are ways of space when native cultures can participate in decision making. Contribution to the solution of the positive or negative impact. In this context, I propose that my actions address the problems described. First is assenting to strong intercultural education in rural areas, not as a rights but a strategy for cultural empowerment. Students must learn in the more tongue and understand the story of the people and whilst guide access to modern tools that allow them to travel in the world. In conclusion, to conclude, I would like to emphasize that both globalization and interculture are phenomenon that will continue to spice our lives. We cannot ignore them, but we can decide how to fast uh, instead of letting globalization erase our roots, where most of it is a tool to share culture and learn from others. Thank you.